Welcome to Worldfamousfoodz with Mr. Nez and Mr. Oz.
What up?
Today we're going to make an omelet. These are ingredients that I'm going to use just for today. We need butter. I have 3 eggs. I got black pepper, kosher salt, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and I'm going to choose cheese, and I have leftover ribeye steak from yesterday that I'm going to add to that. We're going to add the ingredients. Some pepper, some salt, a little bit of onion powder, and cayenne pepper.
Oh yeah.
Kick it up a little bit. I'm going to take a fork in a large bowl and we'll mix it up. So the butter is melted. We're going to add the eggs to here. And we're going to cook this on low heat. Slow cook these eggs because we don't want it to get brown and burnt. Alright, as we're slowly cooking this, I just added the ribeye steak. And now we're going to add the cheese to it, a little bit of cheese to it. And let this cook really slowly. And then once it starts loosening up from the sides, we can flip it over in half.
Worldfamousfoodz, Mr. Nez and Mr. Oz.
So we think it's about ready to fold in half. I'm going to fold that in half. Oh, look at that color. Beautiful color. And then we're going to let it continue to cook.
Nice.
Alright, so I think it's ready to go. If this works correctly, we're just going to slide this off onto the plate. And here we go.
That's a big omelet.
That is a big omelet. Let me just adjust this real fast. There we go.
World famous. Looking good.